Right, okay, so we've got another job to do today. I've got to run out to a village just outside Swindon. Going to be cleaning some of my friends' gutters out. I've got like a new addition to my armoury, if you like. I've kind of constructed this thing here, and you can probably guess what it's for. So that kind of is going to go up the gutter, I guess, and then it's going to scrape out any of the rubbish which is going to be in the gutter, because sometimes just sucking it out is a bit of a problem. So I need to loosen it first. So I've come up with this kind of tool here. All that is just a bracket, and I've got it on a bit of a UPVC pole, and I put some bolts through it, secured it tightly, and it seems to do the trick quite well. Now what I want to try and do is to attach this onto perhaps the actual body of it somehow, like that, just to see if it's actually doing its job. There's a bit in there, needs a bit of a clean. Yeah, there's a bit of gunk there, see? Okay, I roughly know what I've got facing me. Make sure it's all pretty clear and clean. Yep, that's pretty good. So all in all, it was quite a good job, that one. Had to use ladders though, just because some of the crud and the muck and the whatever else was in the gutters, you just couldn't get it out very easily with my hooker, and to try and suck it out, so we had to go up there with ladders and literally get it out by hand. So I need to be mindful of that. But you know, I'm still trying to build my brand, as it were, get the experience, and you know, just get my portfolio up, you know, making videos and taking photographs, put it on Facebook. So I'm very much still in a bit of a learning curve about this. I'm going to pursue it because I've got nothing much else to do, but I feel as if I need to do something. But I have got another job to do tomorrow. Gonna go home now, have myself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, sandwich, and out with the wife, and perhaps make a video later this evening. So there we go. Anyway, more videos to come, probably tomorrow, because I've got another cleaning job to do, and I'll probably take my cameras along with that one and my drone, and just make a little documentary video. Anyway, thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you again. bye for now.